Hey guys, what's up? It's Peyton and I'm back with another makeup tutorial. Today I did this gold halo eye using the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette, and I paired it with a red lip, and I honestly loved how it turned out. So I hope you guys enjoy. If you want to see how I created this look, then just keep on watching. So I already went ahead and did my eyebrows off camera, and I'm going to get started on the eyes now. So I'm going to take my trusty tried and true Tarte Shape Tape. I'm just going to dot it on each eye. I'm going to take my beauty blender and go ahead and dab that out. And to set my lid, I'm just going to use this brush. It's just flat, and then my Laura Mercier translucent powder. For my eyes today, I'm going to be doing a combination of using the Morphe 35O palette and the Jaclyn Hill palette. So I'm going to first go in with my Morphe E23 brush. It's just a blending brush. I'm going to use a cool brown shade from the Morphe 35O palette, and I'm just going to blend that in the crease. I'm now going to go in with a smaller blending brush, and it's just an IT Cosmetics brush. And I'm going to dip into the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I would show it, but it's kind of hard because I'm zoomed in. It's just one of the warmer toned browns. And then I'm going to go in with the first blending brush we took with no extra product and just blend the top of it so we don't have any harsh lines. So next I'm going to take my Morphe M433, and since I'm doing a halo eye, I'm going to go in with a maroon brownie shade on the outer and the inner corner. I really like this maroon shade, but I think I'm going to go in with Bitten by Makeup Geek just to make it a little bit of a deeper maroon shade, if that makes sense. For the last shade of the inner and outer corner, I'm going to go in with just a really dark, almost black brown, so that I can add even more dimension and depth to this halo eye. I don't know about anybody else, but Jaclyn Hill's palette is it just needs a moment. I love her palette. It has everything you would ever need, plus some. Hands down the best palette I own. Good job, Jaclyn. Keep it up. Now for the center part of the lid, I'm going to, again, just go in with my Tarte Shape Tape and a really small, detail brush, and I'm going to carve out the middle so we have a good platform for our gold shadow. Now for the showstopper, I'm going to be going in with a gold from the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm just going to be packing that on the lid. And then I'm going to top off the gold just in the center with the Stila Diamond Dust. It's just kind of gold and silver. It's cute. So I said I was just going to put it in the middle, but I just couldn't help myself, so I put it everywhere. So normally now I would do my eyeliner and lashes and then zoom you guys out and do the face. But I'm going to save the lashes for last because my eyes get watery as I do my face makeup and then they fall off and then I don't have lashes. So I'm just going to do my eyeliner and then I'll zoom you guys out to finish the face. Okay, so to start the face, as usual, I'm using the Too Faced Hangover Primer. So for foundation today, I'm going to be using the Makeup Forever Ultra HD stick. This was a tried and true until I found the Estee Lauder Double Wear, which is now my favorite. But I like to use it still, makes my skin look good, so. And I'm looking down because I have a mirror, I'm not just weird, there's nothing down here. To blend that out, I'm using my big old hunky chunk, the Morphe M439. I mean, I knew this foundation was good, but I completely forgot that, like, it was this good. And for concealer today, I'm going to be using the Tarte Shape Tape. What a surprise. To set that, as always, Laura Mercier. And to set the face, I'm using my Bare Minerals Bare Pro Color Pecan powder. All this stuff's the same. My face stuff's the same. I've kind of been a broke college student, so I haven't been able to buy things, so just using what I got. Now for bronzer, I'm going to change it up a little bit. Normally I would use my Too Faced Deep Tan Chocolate Soleil bronzer, but today I'm going to be using the Nars Laguna bronzer. So I slept on this. Well, it's a Nars type of day. I'm going to be using this little sample blush called Deep Throat. Look at that glow, that automatic. Whoa. If you can't laugh at yourself, then you're not truly happy. Now, before highlight, I'm kind of doing everything out of order, but that's okay. I'm going to do my lower lash line before I do my highlight, and I'm not going to zoom you guys in, but I'm just going to basically do what I did on the top, minus the glitter and the gold, and just smoke out my lower lash line. My hands are looking dusty. It's just my translucent powder. Both my hands are looking dusty. What the heck?
Maybe you just dusty.
Maybe. Now I'm going to put my lashes on and I'll be right back for the finishing touch of highlighter and lips. Okay, so lashes are on. We're looking fabulous. That was a Grinch reference. Lashes today, I use the Ardell 811s. They're part of the foam ink line, which are the ones I wore in my last video. I love these too. I love eyelashes in general, so. For highlighter today, since we went with the Gold Glam, I'm going to be going in with my Anastasia So Hollywood highlighter. Oh my god. For mascara, I already put mascara on my top lashes because I had to do that to put on my falsies. But for the bottom, I'm going to use my Benefit Roller Lash. Full sample size because your girl's broke. We've been over this. Everyone say hello to my kitty. I love her. She hates me. For lips today, I'm going to be using the NYX Liquid Suede, which I don't really like these, but it's a good color, so I'm gonna make it work. It is in the color Cherry Skies. And to complete this look, I'm going to be finishing with the Urban Decay All Nighter Spray. And you just spray until your face is soaking wet, and then you just fan it. Okay guys, so this was the finished look. I knew that I wanted to do a red lip with a gold eye, so this is kind of my little twist on it, using the berry shadows and whatnot. So I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys later. Bye!